Good morning. How are you doing? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. So let's start back on a new video. This time it's a new concept. I hope you like it. If you do like it, please like, comment, subscribe and share. So let's get started. Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV. Everybody in their life needs some little motivation or push from the outside. I strongly believe so. So in this video, I will motivate you to get ready every single morning and show up. Just show up, and half of your success is right there by showing up consistently. It doesn't have to be some beautiful dress, makeup or something. Just have to be you're fresh, clean and ready to start your day. So let's start. 5 days, 5 work outfits. It can be pajamas, it can be anything you want to wear to be comfy, or you can dress up as fancy as you possibly can. Let's start this, and don't forget to share your pictures with me, tag me on Instagram or on YouTube with Aparna Home TV so that I can see that I helped you. It will mean a lot to me. So let's get started. So my Monday is going to start with this beautiful outfit. It doesn't matter you're wearing something beautiful or not. Wear what is right for you, what you feel good in. This is what I'm wearing and ready to start my day. Let's go on with my day, and I will check back with you with a new outfit tomorrow. And don't forget to share with me at the end of this 5 days how you feel, what you accomplished, as I will share with you on Friday how I felt about this week. As most of you know, I am a YouTuber and a homemaker. So my Monday to Friday looks very different from yours. So do what is right for you to get success on what you are doing. So this is how I show up every single day for my success. How are you showing up? Share with me in the comment section below. Good morning. How are you doing on this Tuesday morning? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. I'm ready to start my day, getting ready for the day. How did you get ready? What are you doing today? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. I'm going to work on YouTube as usual. That is my job. So I'll do my housework, take care of my kids, and do everything that I have to do, and then sit and work on YouTube to bring you some amazing stuff. So let's get this day started. One more earring and I'm ready for the day. Ready for the day? Nothing too fancy, just got ready, clean, nice wash and clean, and get ready for the day. I'm ready for the day. Let's get this day started. Good morning. I'm ready for another day, Wednesday morning, 11 o'clock. So today is simple leggings and a t-shirt kind of day because I have to work extensively in the kitchen. I have a lot of work to do in the kitchen, deep clean the kitchen and take care of everything in the kitchen. So this is what is going to help me keep comfy and get my work done. Dress up according to your work and you will be successful. Let's get this day started. Good morning. Time right now is 10 o'clock on Thursday morning. I'm ready for my day to handle today. This is one of my favorite dresses. I'm not able to get rid of it even though it's old. That's me. How about you? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. Anyway, I'm ready for the day. So let's start the day. Today is going to be another busy day with grocery shopping and arranging everything. So yesterday we cleaned out the kitchen, so I know exactly what is there in the kitchen, so I can handle grocery shopping better now. So let's go and complete my work and come back. That's it for Thursday. I'll show little glimpses of shopping, but not too much, as I will have my mask on and ready to take on. It's so cold outside. Oh, I have my sweater and cap ready, so I'm ready to go. Let's handle today. I double masked if you can see. Anyway, let's go to the Indian store and complete our shop. Good morning. Finally, Friday is here. I'm ready for the day. You won't believe what I'm wearing, but I'll show you. Yes, I am ready with my pajamas, but I love it. It's comfy to work. It's really, really cold, so it keeps me warm and gets my work done. So I'm ready for the day. 5 days are done, like Fridays here. So let's get through this day also, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Ready for Saturday also. Yes, Saturday is a working day for me. Anyway, you know how much I love working on YouTube. So for me, 7 days a week is working for a day for me. So I'm ready for the day. I have to just film some videos today, and then after lunch I can take some personal time off. So let me go film those videos, and this is it for this video. Get ready and show up consistently every single day for success. Success doesn't come so easy. It takes a lot of hard work and patience. Have patience and just keep working hard. You will see the end of the tunnel, I promise. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be back with a new video next time. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.